Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. So today we're opening a brand new subscription to our channel. It's called Cate and Chloe and it is a jewelry subscription. I'm super excited. I don't know much about it, but I have it here in this little mailer bag. So, like with any new subscription on our channel, I like to pull out the website so we can learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. So what is Cate and Chloe? Like I suggested, it is a jewelry subscription. So they have a website and they're also available on Cratejoy as well. So on Cratejoy it says it's Cate and Chloe VIP. And it looks like they have multiple options. They have the starter box, which is $17.99, and it says get one piece of new fashionable jewelry every month plus free shipping and a free gift. And the full VIP box is $34 where you get 3 pieces of new fashionable jewelry every month plus free shipping and a free gift. And it does ship worldwide. So the VIP box is a monthly subscription box featuring popular new jewelry from Cate and Chloe. Get 1 to 3 new popular jewelry pieces delivered right to your door. Free shipping and free exchanges. Free gift inside every box. Choose 1, 2, or 3 pieces of jewelry every month. Expert stylists will personalize your box each month. Up to $200 worth of retail value per month. Early access to new styles and pre-releases. So I believe they have like a whole jewelry store so you can purchase things on their website. It says oh wait, I just said that, sorry. Perfect wedding gift and graduation gift as seen on Good Morning America, Extra, The Talk, and The Real. So they gave me a code to share with you all that will save you 20% site-wide, and that is Kitty Boxes 20. I will leave that down below so you can just copy and paste it if you are interested. They also wanted me to share with you that they have a giveaway going on their website that you can win up to $600 in jewelry. So I'm not affiliated with this in any way, but I'll link that down below if you guys are interested. I know we all love a good giveaway. But anyways, let's get into the jewelry. So I'm not sure exactly what I was sent and what is in here. I did get this sent free for review, so let's open this up and see. And I hear thunder starting, even though it looks really sunny still. So we may get a little storm here. It's the afternoon in Florida. It happens often. All right, so I have an invoice here. It looks like they sent me a pair of earrings. Wow, it says the Ivy 18 karat white gold drop earrings. So I have some on now. I'll probably have to take those off. Usually I try not to wear jewelry for my jewelry boxes so I can try them on, but it's okay. I can always just take them out. So it comes in this cute case, so Cate and Chloe, and it looks like it's one of those boxes that you just like push out to open. Or no, I'm wrong. It opens up this way. It's like a magnetic closure. I love that. Oh wow, so these are fancy. So let me try these on. These look really nice, like super fancy. Might not go with my more like casual tank top, but that's okay. I like these style of earrings that have like more of a snap closure without the backs, because I feel like I'm always losing the backs of earrings and sometimes they're hard to get on like quickly. So like these ones have little backs, so I try and always put them on right away. Alright, so I have the earrings on. So here is what they look like from afar, and let me kind of go in. I like them. I like the dangle. They're really easy to put on. So I'm going to see if they're on their website so we can learn a little bit more about them. Wow, so I have their website pulled up and they sell these for $150. And on this it says, as seen on the Today Show, the Ivy Faithful 18 karat gold princess cut CZ crystal halo drop earrings. That's crazy. So it has AAA grade CZ stones, whatever that means. The closure is a lever back. I never knew that's actually how you call it. It is lead and nickel free. Its base metal is brass, and the luxury ribbon gift box is included to make the perfect gift. The Ivy earrings fall into every category: classic, timeless, and trendy. Need a bold statement accessory that won't disappoint. Let these Ivy say or shine it all for you. Wow, that's crazy. And they're definitely the same ones. I can see them. And there's like some reviews. It's like, oh, these are great for wedding season and all of that. So I will leave the link to this specific product as well if you just want to like look and see. But I've never heard much about this box before, so if you guys tried this before, I would love to hear your experience and learn more about the jewelry pieces that you received. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I really like these. I think the drop, I don't know, I think they are like subtle enough, but also like, you know, a little pop, a little like, you know, makes your outfit like a little bit more dressed up. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like these? But anyways, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.